Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gaming here with another reaction. Today we're here with Shano. Dope. That's something I dropped an hour ago. So we're back to the regular schedule of the up-to-date stuff as well. Obviously, you guys been getting some throwback. So we're there now with some regular schedule. You know? So, Dopes, just forward. We're not gonna just react when the artists them a beef. We are gonna react to them type of song too. You know that? Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. There again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that. And you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist, same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. Shane, become a seven boss. SOR. Let's go.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of bring down. Yeah, man, you're not going away.
Digital records. Digital productions.
Enough bad power. Watch out there, watch over we. You hear that?
Definitely.
You know, if you tell me a star, I know that.
Look how him start, bro. The self-belief. The self-belief is on another level. The man saying, "Have to tell me say me a star, brother." I know that. You know, have to give me no flowers if you don't want. Me know say my flowers them there already. Cause me give myself the flower. What you do you?
You know, if you tell me a star, I know that.
Yeah.
You know this when we frost my whole lot.
Sorry if I keep passing, but I can't pass them words, bro. I can relate. When me frost me all that, bro. When me frost me all that, dog. You have to know if you hold your one, bro. You have to use your hand, turn fashion, dog. Cause the very moment you start reach out to certain people, dog, and ask them for your help, bro, them take it to them for the rest of your life. Yeah. Them take it to them for the rest of your life, bro. Them use it against you like say, yo, I am the first person to ask for help. So sometimes I have to just hold your own, bro. Yeah.
You know this when we frost my whole lot. Better days coming soon. You can't stop me, I just watch. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. My granny say you know what. Tell us if all I want. Know you are prosper. Long
The granny words come to pass. Yeah, I have to hold your own, dog. I have to believe in yourself and hold your own. Shane a bad artist in a dog. No one don't feel like Shane was some joke artist in a brother. I be a reality them man singing a dog. Relatable music, dog.
You will never reach nowhere. Enough doubts.
Enough doubts.
Bad power. Watch out there, watch over we. You hear that?
Let's go.
You know if you tell me a star, I know that. You know this when we frost my whole lot.
Yeah.
Better days coming soon. You can't stop me, I just watch. You know if you tell me a star, I know that. My granny say you know what. Tell us if all I want. Know you are prosper. Long time me I do this and I know. Do this on my own. So my family can feel proud.
Long time out here, bro. I do it by myself. I do it by my own, dog. You know why me I do it though? I know for myself alone, you know. Me I do it to make my family feel proud, dog.
Me I do this and I know.
Yeah.
Do this on my own.
Better life for the
So
fam.
my family can feel proud.
Yeah.
Jaja protect me on this road. They are made with a split on it loud.
Protect me on this road. They are meant to split on it, Lord. Young man just take a fall off of the cycle. Rise up back again, my fam. There you go again. You're gone.
Do this and I know. Do this
Brush
on my
yourself
own.
off and forward
So my
again.
family can feel proud.
Yeah.
Jaja protect me on this road. They are made with a split on it loud. No stop light now. Green light go. Make we celebrate. Click, click, bow. Them
click, click. Combat. You hear that? No stoplight. A green light. Yeah. We're not seeing a red light, bro. Be a green, bro. We are go. We're on the move. We're moving.
Take me on this road. They are made with a split on it loud. No stoplight, no. Green light go. Make we celebrate, click, click, bow. Them never want the beast drive down. And I squeeze night down. For bitches 33 fly down. You know if you tell me right now. Green. So my family can feel proud. Jaja protect me on this road. They are made with a split on it loud. No stoplight, no. Green light go. Make we celebrate, click, click, bow. Them never want the beast drive down. And I squeeze night down. For bitches 33 fly down. You know.
That's them never want the beast fly down and a squeeze street town. They never want him to live certain way, dog. Them bad mind thing, dog.
Stoplight, no. Green light go. Make we celebrate, click, click, bow. Them never want the beast drive down. And I squeeze night down. For bitches 33 fly down. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. You know this when we frost me whole lot. Better days coming soon. You can't stop me, I judge us.
Up. Stand up, little man. Stand up, man. Brush yourself off, bro. Keep pushing on. Second verse, let's go. Yeah, bad artist, youth. You're a bumbo club bad artist, youth. A bad word the legal over here. You're an artist, youth.
Tell us if we all alone. Know you are brass from the target, come and place the faith. No man I celebrate. Me alone with that woman I chase me there. She have to take the stage. Brave up and share the place.
Yeah.
Show the world why I'm yes, I great, me great record.
Yes, youth. You have to brave up and shake the stage. Show the world who you are. You're great, you're great. Definitely.
Tell us if we all alone. Know you are brass from the target, come and place the faith. No man I celebrate. Me alone with that woman I chase me there. She have to take the stage. Brave up and share the place. Show the world why I'm yes, I great, me great record is there to break. Forget about those wasted years. Sorry for who can't see the end of the tunnel. Father God, please clear this cave. Make me escape this place. Most
Good at Walkie. Walkie make an appearance. Big up yourself, Walkie.
why I'm yes, I great, me great record is there to break. Forget about those wasted years. Sorry for who can't see the end of the tunnel. Father God, please clear this cave. Make me escape this place. Most said shake the snakes. You know if you tell me a star.
Bad bumbo class verse.
The place. Show the world why I'm yes, I great, me great record is there to break. Forget about those wasted years. Sorry for who can't see the end of the tunnel. Father God.
Man say I'm sorry for those who can't see the end of the tunnel. Sorry for those who can't see the light. You see me? Yeah, dog. Sorry for those.
There to break, forget about those wasted years. Sorry for who can't see the end of the tunnel. Father God, please clear this cave. Make me escape this place. Most said shake the snakes. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. You know this when we frost me whole lot. Better days coming soon. You can't stop me, I judge us so watch. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. My granny say you know what. Tell us if we all alone. Know you are prosper. Long time me I do this and I know. Do this on my own. So my family can feel proud. Jaja protect me on this road. They are made with us split on it loud. No stoplight, no. Green light go. Make we celebrate, click, click, bow. Them never want the beast drive down. And I squeeze night down. For bitches 33 fly down. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. You know this when we frost me whole lot. Better days coming soon. You can't stop me, I judge us so watch. You know if you tell me a star, me know that. Granny say you know what. Tell us if we all alone. Know you are prosper.
Cha, God. Digital production,
Nero.
big up. Nero, big up.
Every bad man, Nero.
Yeah, Nero, big up yourself. Yo, big up all the star them out there when know say them a star. And them don't need no validation from nobody. Big up the ghetto youths them and know say, yo, them a wall out. Them not bug out for certain things. You see me? For nothing at all, as a matter of fact, them not bug out for nothing at all. Them a hold them one, bro. If you have it, a man can't know. If you don't have it, a man still can't know. You can't hold your own. Yeah. Big up the people them who give themselves them flowers, bro. Cause Self-belief are the biggest belief in a dog. If you don't believe in yourself, nobody not gonna believe in you, bro. You see me? Yeah, so you have to always chase your dreams. Don't worry about the next man's dreams, bro. Be happy for your next man. Just chase your dreams, dog. I know say you focus on you, tunnel vision. And at the end, you're gonna see the light at the end of the tunnel. You know? So yeah, Shane, big up yourself, dog. Dopes, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my G. Bad bum buckle artist, and I will ever say that. So big up Shane, digital productions and Nero. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Great body of work, as usual. Great music video. You don't know. SOR boss. Click, pow! Yeah, this is what I'm gonna leave down and still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from my G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you're new, yo, and I will definitely see you, in the next one. Pow!
Jamaica's worst gamer.